Hey, what is up guys? My name is Rahul and in this video I'll try to explain sudo 1.8.27 security bypass vulnerability. It has a CVE number of 2019-14287. So with that, let us begin. So for example, a user types in sudo tag l, and if his name is there in the sudoers file, so sudoers file is in the directory of cat etc sudoers. So as you can see, I do not have the access to this file, but if a user's name is written in the sudoers file, then he'll have the access to run sudo commands on the computer. So for example, we know that his name is in the sudoers file. So if he types in sudo tag l, then he will be represented with a few binaries, wherein if he executes any one of them, his privileges will be escalated. So generally this is the case. This means that the binary is bin bash. So any user whose name in the sudoers file will be able to use bash command, and whenever he uses the bash command, his privileges will be escalated and he'll get the privileges of the super user or the root. So this is generally the case. But what happens is he types in sudo tag l, and if he gets in all and before the root there's an exclamation mark. So what does this mean? This means that all the users except the root will be able to execute this command. So if he runs this command, then he'll get the privileges of other user, but not that of the root. But there was a bug in this. So for example, there is a concept of user IDs. So if I type in ID, we can see that my ID is 1000. If I type in sudo ID and if I type in the password, you can see that my ID is 0. So the users except the root will have an ID greater than equal to 1000, but the super user will have an ID of 0. So in this case, if I type in ID, we can see that my ID is 1001. And if I type in sudo tag l, what I get is all exclamation in front of root user. So what does this mean? This means that everyone except root can run this binary over this file, and his privileges will be escalated or changed to that of a particular user. But how was this vulnerable? So if I type in sudo tag u for user and hash -1, because no one has an ID of -1, and if I type in user bin vi home .txt, we can see that the Vim editor gets opened up. If I type in colon bin bash, if I type in who am I, we can see that our privileges get escalated to that of root. So this was sudo 1.8.27 security bypass vulnerability. Thank you.